Hi, this is Josh from Abt Electronics partnering with WGN Chicago, and we've got Oscar here from DLink who's going to tell you what your next router in your house is. Hi Oscar, how you doing?
I'm doing great, how are you?
I'm very good. I was very attracted to these very cool cutting edge designs you guys have. Some of these routers nowadays are really getting just crazy looking. Can you explain what justifies what's going on behind this awesome design?
Sure, well DLink put a lot of energy into the design, beyond just the aesthetics, which definitely catches the eye first. They've really done a lot to optimize the performance. So a lot of what you see with the antennas here and the placement on the antennas, and of course what's inside the routers here is really optimized, right? So what we're showcasing at CES this year, what you see right now is the Ultra Performance series. That's the red the red routers. Okay. So this is our high-end line. This is an AC 5300 AC router. So this is a tri-band router. This is really good for large homes, for example, and homes that might be streaming a lot of video content, maybe gaming, really on that high performance side, right? Okay. With people growing the amount of connected devices in the home, most people are finding the need to upgrade their routers. We also have a solution here. This is our unified Wi-Fi networking kit. So what this essentially is, it's an AC router and an AC extender. But what this does, this is good for a large home that might have trouble with dead zones. Maybe it's a basement, right? Or the placement of the router hasn't been that great. So what this does is it allows a device, as you're walking through the home, to connect to the most optimized connectivity. So whether it's connecting to the router or the extender, it'll automatically make that jump automatically without you having to manually do anything.
And I don't need to hardwire the extender to the router, do I?
No, you don't have to hardwire anything. We try to educate customers on placement, right? To break down some of those issues. And this way, you continue to get your connection, continue streaming, doing your gaming on a high-performance side without having any dead zones or lag.
And that series is the dual-band version? Or is that also tri-band?
This is also tri-band. Also what's built into this, it'll automatically place a device onto the appropriate band. Once it's on the appropriate band, it'll also determine, based on the usage of the device, what band to stay within. And it'll actually toggle based on more connected devices. You come home, you're turning on a TV, you might have another TV already running. It'll go ahead and make those optimizations to really get the most performance.
What if I'm nearby the router and I'm connected at one of the 5 gigahertz, very powerful frequencies, but then I stray far away into a different room where the 5 gigahertz signal is starting to get weak, but I'm still holding it? Will it automatically tell me or kick my device off the 5 and put it on a stronger 2? Or do I have to turn my Wi-Fi off and turn my Wi-Fi on? Yeah,
that's basically it. It's going to intelligently determine what's the best network band for you to connect to optimize your performance. And that's really what this is all about, right? Is getting the most bandwidth performance in your home, depending on what you're doing too, right? Okay. And then we're also announcing the orange router here. This is new for DLink this year. This is our EXO series. So this is in a lower speed range. This is currently the AC 1900 Wi-Fi router. So that's more in that sweet spot, right? Maybe you're looking to upgrade your router and you have many connected devices, but you're not doing a whole lot of streaming, right? Or you're not a heavy user like gamers or something to that extent, but you want a high performance router that's great in range, right? That allows you to connect more devices. This is that kind of that mid-tier that we're
that would be dual band, right?
That is a dual band router, correct.
Okay, and both of the tri-bands, it would be 2 5 gigahertz and 1 2 gigahertz?
Yeah, that's correct.
All right, very cool lineup, looks fantastic. Can't wait to see them hit the market.
Thanks.
Thank you. All right, guys, check out more of our coverage at CES 2016 by visiting our website, subscribing to our YouTube channel, or blog.abt.com.